try to break the mold, escape the endless grind, leaving genuine purpose far behind. The pressure mounts a constant heavy weight, trapped inside a predetermined state. It's beneath these concrete veins, fighting off the dull, persistent pain. Is this the life they've promised, clean and pure? Screaming out for something to endure, yearning for a freedom sharp and true, breaking through the broken, me and you. They lay the trap.